Do you have some old limited edition, difficult to replace flip-flops or Crocs that were on sale, on clearance for 20 bucks? You don't want to get new ones for 60. Where again, some old 20-year-old flip-flops, you've just kept going and going. So there's 3 products you can use to resole and resurface. You can see I've already done the Crocs. There were some actual holes here that I filled in with JB Weld epoxy, and then I coated with the truck bed coating. These aren't too bad. You can see there's a sole defect there and sole defect there. You know, I could fill that in with JB Weld, water weld, or maybe Plastidip or Goop or even Lexel. But yeah, let's see how the undercoating, the rubberized undercoating, does as far as filling in these defects. So I'm going to use the undercoating first on the sole defects, and then the top coat is going to be the bed liner. All right, let's try the undercoating first to fill in defects. Let's see how that goes. Not terrible, seen worse. Maybe you should have brought a putty. Oh, that's working all right. That's working better than expected. Yeah, these aren't bad. I'm just going to go straight truck bed on these. Straight truck bed. Take 2. All right, straight truck bed. Might as well do another layer on the Crocs. Limited edition, on clearance, 29 bucks. I think they're currently 60. Don't feel like driving to the store. Looks like that's filled in okay. I'll probably come back and do a second coat later. Yeah, I might have to clean these up either with a putty knife or just an old piece of plastic. Smooth that out. Probably wear off anyway. I don't wear shoes in the house, so that's not a factor.